So I'm gonna start this video out by making it abundantly clear. In most cases, bank funding is typically gonna be the best funding available when it comes to business lending and even real estate. There's exceptions, obviously. There's a marketplace for alternative funding, creative financing, even the fintech space, which is honestly just subsidiaries of large banks most of the times. But in most cases, bank funding is going to be superior when it comes to rates and terms. That is what you're graduating up to whenever you start out with creative financing most of the times and other alternative lending. Usually you're hoping to work yourself into a financial position or your business into a position where you can get bank level funding. With that out of the way, the number one distraction or issue for many small businesses that I encounter as a financial professional, an active banker, and an active small business specialist is most business owners have no idea what industry they're functioning in when it comes to the NAICS code. You have to understand that banks are very particular about who they do business with, and they do not like to do business with every industry. If you can't properly classify yourself as a business, then you're allowing the bank to make that decision for you. And if you don't give a good enough description or a proper description, or you say the wrong thing, you can give a description that throws you in a bucket where a bank won't want to bank with you, or if they'll bank with you, they may not want to lend to you, depending on your industry. When you are setting up your business, or at least before you get too deep into the process of building out your banking relationship with the business or going for lending with a business, take the time out to look up your NAICS code, North American Industry Classification System. That is going to be the code that most banks and lenders are going to ask for in applications to classify what industry you're functioning in. If you can't provide that, they'll issue one for you. And it is no guarantee that the one they issue you is going to be one that is going to be lending friendly. Do your homework, do your research, answer that question for yourself to put yourself in the best position possible. There's so many nuances to getting approved for funding. When I tell you industry classification is one of the biggest hurdles I personally see actively helping small businesses with deposit accounts and lending. Get this right the first time or as soon as you can. Keep it uniform across all banks and business accounts because there are back-end systems that verify this information. So don't go to one bank with one NAICS code. Don't go to the next one and let them pick one. Keep it uniform. Do your research, pick your industry, and make sure that it's lender friendly. Just want to bring you this information because bank level funding, again, is really the creme de la creme, and it is not impossible to get there, but you have to understand the nuances, and this is one of the biggest ones. As always, I appreciate y'all tuning in. I enjoy bringing you this content. I want y'all to stay focused, stay in motion. See y'all soon.
This is JP from Blueprint for Prosperity Network, a channel dedicated to helping you increase your net worth through relationship banking, maximizing your borrowing capacity, the proper use of life insurance, and the ownership of real estate. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'm uploading content on a daily basis to help you customize your blueprint for prosperity.